everyone, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today's recipe is a very nice and different kind of chicken recipe. It is a creamy lemon and pepper chicken. It's got a very different flavor, lovely flavor of pepper, lemon, and it's nice and creamy, and it goes really well with some hot puris or chapatis or rotis. It's super simple, friends, with ingredients that we have at home, and you'll see. So let's go to my kitchen and let's start making this lovely creamy lemon pepper chicken. So friends, let's get started with today's recipe of creamy lemon pepper chicken curry. It's a very different kind of curry, and it has this beautiful flavor of a lot of lemon and pepper. Now we're going to start by marinating the chicken. So I've taken about 250 grams of boneless chicken breast. I've washed it well and cut it up into small, even-sized pieces. That way they cook very well and quite quickly and evenly. To this, I'm going to add about a cup of thick yogurt or dahi. Now I have a recipe of how you can prepare your own dahi at home. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Now, since this is lemon pepper chicken, I'm going to add a whole tablespoon of black pepper powder. This is home made pepper powder. I've just taken some peppercorns, roasted them, and ground them to a fine powder. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. This adds a lovely color. Next goes in the juice of one entire lime, or you can measure it to at least 1/4 cup of lime juice. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to season it with some salt. Now for the ginger garlic paste, I've taken about 6 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and made a fine paste with it. Now we got to give everything a nice good mix, and we need to marinate this for at least 15 to 20 minutes minimum, and if you can keep it for an hour, even better, because then everything gets nicely marinated and the flavors really come out very well. So marinating it is very, very important. Now if you don't have a lot of time, 15 to 20 minutes will also do. Now after marination, I've just taken a pan and I've heated about a tablespoon of oil. To that oil, I'm going to add 1 light green chilli, which I have diced very finely. We're going to fry the chilli well because we want to infuse the oil with this lovely flavor of chilli. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of ginger paste as well as garlic paste. Now, although we've marinated the chicken with ginger garlic, we still need to add a little more of ginger garlic paste to really, make this curry really flavorsome. So you can add 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, or again half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add this coarsely ground powder, which I've made out of cloves, cardamom, and some cinnamon. So I've taken about 4 cloves, or lavang as you call it, half an inch of cinnamon, and I've taken just 1 elaichi, white elaichi or cardamom, and I've just coarsely ground this in my mortar and pestle. Now once that is done, we're going to add our marinated chicken, and we're going to give it a very good mix. We want everything to really mix in well together. So just give the entire dish a nice mix. Now we're going to cook this on a medium flame, medium to high, and we're going to just continuously stir everything together. Now I've made a slurry of cornflour. I've taken 1 tablespoon of cornflour and about half a cup of water, made a thick paste, and I've just added that to the chicken. Now we're going to cover the chicken and cook it for about 5 minutes. Once that is done, we're just going to give it a mix. And now I've added about half a cup of cream. Now you don't need to really use the fresh cream. You can use just normal cream, which is there, the top layer of the milk, or if you have fresh cream, you can use that. And then we're just going to garnish it with some lovely freshly chopped coriander. And that's it, friends, and our lovely creamy lemon pepper chicken is all ready. You have to make this dish because it has such a different taste, and it is really, really full of flavors and really, really delicious. Also, I would like to mention here that I have many other easy and quick chicken recipes on my channel. So just go to my channel page, Akshata's Recipes. You will see something called playlist. Click on that and then you'll see chicken recipes. So click on that and you'll get a whole variety of different types of chicken recipes. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today's recipe is a very nice and different kind of chicken recipe. It is a creamy lemon and pepper chicken. It's got a very different flavor, lovely flavor of pepper, lemon, and it's nice and creamy, and it goes really well with some hot puris or chapatis or rotis. It's super simple, friends, with ingredients that we have at home, and you'll see. So let's go to my kitchen and let's start making this lovely creamy lemon pepper chicken.